Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. I just recently did a poll whether or not y'all wanted to see me carving up those moose antlers for that project I've been working on, and had like 27 votes and it's 100% yes. So I figured I'd just put together some of the shots, a little bit of footage, a few good pictures of me creating those moose antlers for you guys, and here they are. So I hope you enjoy. Well, just finished doing a rough shaping for the moose antlers. Kind of got them dished out there. I don't know, I got to figure out, how they're going to look and work. I kind of got to draw it on before I put the saber-tooth bits in and start carving it. Been just using the Arbortech mini carver here with the, I don't remember what it's called, the wheel they give you though. And that's what I use to dish these out. This thing works great. I mean, it's not very wide, so I'm making a lot of thin cuts, taking my time and carving it out, but that thing works awesome. Another shot of the moose, and I don't know, we're gonna be something like that, A lot of work to go on these antlers still, but they're coming along. Spent most of the day working on the antlers for the moose. There they are. I was cleaning them up earlier with my Fordham and my small fine bit. This is the ball nose bit from Sabertooth. Kind of going over the edges and rounding stuff. Don't want any hard edges on antlers. They gotta have those nice smooth corners and rounded points and stuff. But these are basically the antlers. I'm going to put a little epoxy in this knot, kind of get that a little more stiffened up. You can see it's kind of a little punky, but sometimes that happens. I think they're coming out pretty good. They do need to get a final sanding though to get nice and smoothed out. Let's see, I'll put one up here for you guys. The moose. carving up some moose antlers. Hoping to put together a full video of the moose carving once it's done, so then we can get the whole thing start to finish. Right now I just got to finish adding fur to the neck area and a few other spots where I really want it to be coarse hair or coarse fur looks. So when I get that done, we'll be applying some finish, and hopefully we'll be getting a video out here for you guys. So just putting this one out so you guys can check it out. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit subscribe. And as always, you guys can find some of the tools and bits that I use below in the description. I use a lot of saber-tooth bits. Those are what I prefer. That's what I use. And, well, you can find links to those below. Also, keep an eye out for this weekend. Should have a chainsaw carving video popping up Saturday morning for you guys. So, something to look forward to. Thank you guys for watching again, and I'll see you next time.